Okay, the next we are making the VLOOKUP function little more complex. In the last chapter we have done VLOOKUP with absolute reference, and right now we are using with mixed reference. Mixed reference mean to say either we are making freeze, either we are making a column to freeze or either row to freeze. Okay, how it's been work? Let's suppose if I have to fetch customer name and phone number, so I'll apply VLOOKUP, the lookup value. Okay, and the reference where I have to fetch this value, let's suppose this is the area from where I am fetching my value. Again freezing, which I have already been told to you. 2 is the column and 0 for exact match, which we have done in last chapter. Okay, if I drag it down, which is perfectly fine, but over here either I have to just apply VLOOKUP once again to check out the values, or either I can use Control R, mean to say fill right, for the same. So whenever I'll just type or press Control R, over here it's been showing #NA. #NA mean to say if I'll just edit this cell by F2, this particular range, initially it was on F15, and if I just pressed Control R, it's been reached to G15. Mean to say I have to freeze this range over here. Over here means it should not be go to right side as my formula drag. Okay, so over here what I have to do is I'm just pressing delete button. Okay, go to F2, go over here, press F4. Right now just check it out, it's been freezed fully. It means to say F15 is been freezed. If I drag this formula, so everyone will show surgery brain. Mean to say if I'm coming over here, if I'm coming over here, if I'm coming over here, means this particular cells gets freezed, means we have freezed its row, its column, but I want only the column should be remain freezed, but row should be remain unfreezed. So mean to say I have to release 15 from here. So if I'll press F4 once again, so right now the 15 will be freezed. Again it's incorrect for us. F4. Okay, right now it's been okay, just because we have just freezed our column. Okay, so if I'll just drag this formula, so it's perfectly fine. So over here I'm just pressing Control R for fill right. Okay, it's been showing, still showing the name of the customer, just because the last value over here is just 2. So but we want the column index should be 3. Okay, so just type 3 over there and just drag your formula. It's been perfectly fine. I hope you have understand. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.